Hey, what's going on, everyone? Welcome back to a brand new video here on Swelth Academy. My name is Gibmoses, and in today's video, let's take a look at Litecoin against the USD. Before we do that, let's quickly take a look at today's total market cap. We're currently sitting at $1.89 trillion. We're down 4.35% in the last day. Bitcoin down 0.50, Ethereum 2.60, XRP 0.70, and Litecoin 7%. Oh, what the just happened? So 2% for Litecoin. All right, not too bad. So I'll show you exactly what's going on. I know a lot of people out there are confused. So right here we have a rising wedge. All right. We had our rejection candle, down we went. All right. That's your typical rising wedge pattern. That's how it plays out. So right now what I'm seeing is a 1, 2, 3, 4, and I'm seeing one final fifth wave that needs to go down. So we have our first, second, third, fourth, which should be around 174. As I mentioned in yesterday's Discord, there's a possibility of us recovering to the upside, and that's exactly what's happening. If we remain getting rejected up here at 175 to around 177, we can't cross above this resistance, then expect another pullback all the way down to, let's measure that. So expect a pullback all the way to 151. Again, that's if Litecoin is unable to break this resistance level right here between 175 to 17, let's say 178. Play safe. Cool. So this right here is your bearish scenario. However, there's one thing you got to keep in mind when trading. All right, the market can go anywhere. The algorithm, it can trick people, and it can do the complete opposite of what I was thinking, what you were thinking, what the professional traders out there were thinking, what Rakesh was thinking. It can do the complete opposite and just wreck everybody, okay? So that's something that you all should keep in mind. There's a possibility it goes the complete opposite way. So assuming that the algorithm doesn't want to go for that fourth wave and it decides to break through. All right, so here's a scenario that you guys should keep in mind, because right now we are in a bullish impulse, all right? Meaning that there is a possibility of us not even going down to that 150. If there's demand up here at 170, uh, the bulls remain strong, the bears are weak, there's a possibility Litecoin, if it breaks our bullish pivot point around 178 and we manage to hold above support and we manage to flip these two resistance levels as a support, that's our indication that we continue higher, and we're talking give or take around 207. Cool. I hope you all are following along. Very simple. Right now it's a matter of patience. So right now when I see this chart, I'm not gonna guess. We're gonna go for this 207, or I'm not gonna guess that we go for this fifth wave correction. Best thing to do is wait, see what the algorithm wants to do at this resistance. If we remain getting rejected, rejected, and so on, that's your indication that we go to fifth wave. And vice versa, if we manage to break with some nice volume and we hold above, that's a signal that we go towards the 1.618 fib level at 207. I mean, I've laddered majority of my profits above 180. Right now, I'm gonna let the algorithm do its thing and find a confirmation setup. All right. If we get to this 151, by all means, that's where I accumulate. If price remains getting rejected, if price manages to break above and we hold as a support, I'm gonna hop back on, okay? Well, again, this right here is Litecoin against the USD. If you have any questions, just hop on the Discord, let me know, and I'll try my best to answer. Let's now take a look at Bitcoin, because as we know, whatever Bitcoin decides to do, the whole cryptocurrency will follow. So right here, we have a rising wedge. We have our 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Cool, we broke out, we remain getting rejected, retested, and it got rejected, and down we go. All right, this pattern, we've seen it happen before on a much bigger time frame right over here. So we have our 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. We had our breakout, just like what we're doing right now. Price recovered. So that's a possibility that might happen. If Bitcoin is unable to make a new higher high above 49 grand and it just gets rejected and rejected, expect a similar pullback. And we're talking give or take around the 0.5 fib level at 38,000. If zero point 0.5 doesn't hold, then of course you have the 0.618, the 702, the 786, and so on. So right now we should be chilling. All right, we took our profits. Let's see what the algorithm has to do. I mean, just a matter of patience. Let the algorithm do its thing until we have a nice confirmed setup, just like what we had with Litecoin. Until we get a nice trading setup, that's when we hop back into the market. Right now, just do you wait, go on a break, go on a vacation, and just ignore the charts for the next coming days. So I have my alerts turned on. Whenever I get a break above 48,000, so let's say Bitcoin wants to break above 48,000, then what's your next target? So breaking above 58,000 takes us straight to 1.618, around 50 grand. If that breaks above, your next zone will be 54,000. All right, so right here is your bullish pivot point, and bearish pivot point will be around 113. All right, so just pay close attention to these two pivot points. Whichever one breaks first, that's the direction we're going. Breaking above our 50,000 range gives us a nice continuation, and vice versa, breaking below 1.13 will give us a bearish trend. All right, very cool, very simple, very straightforward. Let's now take a look at the Discord, see what's going on. So G Halit, can we get some insight here for us? For sure. So I mean, this video that I just posted, it should clear up a lot of confusion. I hope this video does help you out. Breaking. So G Douglas, 4 hours, still has one more dip potentially before breaking upwards or downward. Daily still above the EMA. So 100%. That's exactly what I was talking about. That fifth wave, there's a possibility of us going down to that 150 range. So G Douglas knows what's up. So 154 rejected, incoming. Yeah, so if we remain getting rejected, which it's getting rejected right now, 150 to around 160 range is coming soon. So crypto signals, we have our GRT signal. We're basically not that far away from our take profit. We're up almost 30 freaking percent in a matter of 8 days. I mean, oh, easy money, you guys. Dusk is on their way there. I'm going to be posting more signals these upcoming days. So if you haven't joined, make sure you join the Discord. So without further ado, I hope this video gave you some kind of insight of what you should be expecting in the coming days and weeks. We have our countdown here going on. So without further ado, I'll see you all in tomorrow's video.